This is the process. You see, we are part way there. My husband Robert switched around the sink and the toilet. Where you see the sink is at, that's where the toilet was, and where you see the toilet's at, that's where the sink was. And if you can see, that's the drain pipe right there. The toilet was from where the toilet was at, and so he switched that around because he said he just didn't like that. It wasn't functional enough. And if you see,
I'm real anal about those kind of things.
We're adding paneling, some recycled paneling from someone that we got, and we're just adding it to our wall, and we're gonna paint it white. And then we were trying out this color. Well, I forgot the name of it, but it was the navy from, if you follow Chris Loves Julia, she used this navy in her bathroom. I don't know if it works in my bathroom. I don't know. I think I might just stick with my Mindful Gray or Recorritic Gray. So that's it for now. Just giving you a progress of what's going on in the bathroom. And this is what we have so far. He has, it's water coming out. We filled that hole. We just got to do put a couple more towels down. This is tacked down.
Not completely, just in place.
And I'm liking the way it's looking. He is doing an awesome job. My husband is amazing. Okay, now this is the next week or so. He painted the wood. And as you can see, it looks a whole lot different. Here you go. Look, he put the quarter trim in there. He's not done. He has to put another coat. But it looks amazing. This floor is the bomb. 99 cents a square foot. Oh, got a little bit in my foot, but that's okay. And it just looks good. It looks great. My husband is amazing. He did a really good job. Really good job. Now that navy might go. I don't know.
Grave.
And he still has to put the toilet in. So the toilet's gonna go there. And again, he
repositioned the piping.
Yes, he repositioned the piping. But he said the toilet was here where the sink is, and the sink was there. And he said he felt like it was more functional to put them like that. So he did that too. He's bomb. And I just want to go over the cost. These floors were 99 cents a square foot. We used like a box and a half, so that was like $60, and we had to spend $50 on the molding. But everything else was free. We, got it was recycled paneling that we got, and we got the pedestal and toilet from someone. So it's always good to ask around and go to lumber yards and stuff like that. Okay, see you next time. It's the next day, and he has grouted the towel. But yes, he grouted the towel. And it looks wonderful. He did such a good job. I still need to finish painting. You see that? So I need to kind of get back there and paint. We agreed that I would be the caulk girl and the paint girl. So still haven't decided a color yet. I'm thinking about choosing a different navy, because he didn't really like that navy hell. But here's some more paint swatches. What do you think? What do you think I should do?